Hi, my name is Hector Emilio Treviño Gomez and I'm going to explain you the first water property, which is addition. Well, let's start. First, I use a deep plate to put some water, as you can see here, and then I I made like a flower with a paper. So we have to make this, yeah. And when you finish, you have to put the paper in the water. Well, the process is a little bit slower, but just wait. As you can see, the petals of the flower are rising up, um, like here. Well, this happens because the water adheres to the paper, which increases its weight when it's wet, and when the water reaches the petals, it causes them to fall backwards. Hello, I'm going to explain you the second water property, which is cohesion. Well, first you need a bottle of water or a glass of water and a cardboard. Um, well, first you have to put the cardboard like this, and then put the water like this. As you can see, a membrane is formed where the water cannot escape. This happens because the cardboard has absorbed the water, and this is called cohesion. And now I am going to explain you the third water property, which is solvent. Here we have cold water and hot water, and this is blue dye, which means colorante. And let's see what happens if I put in both of them. Remember, this is the hot water. Okay, as you can see, the blue dye just dissolved, and in the cold water it doesn't dissolve, but it comes down. But why does this happen? Well, with cold water, the ink, which is the blue ink, goes down to the bottom of the glass without dissolving. While while with hot water, the water molecules move faster, increasing the shocks and producing a greater diffusion. Hot, cold. So let's continue with the fourth water property experiment, which is the water property is high specific heat. So let me talk about you a little bit of this. If we burn plastic, the plastic will be all compressed and all black and ugly. But if the plastic has water in it, like I'm showing you in this example, the water absorbs the heat. Let me show you. Well, you need a bottle of water and a lighter. As you can see, the water just absorbs the heat of the lighter of this, and doesn't happen too much, like I explained to you before. So that is high specific heat. And the fifth and last one, water property, is when water expands when it's frozen. Um, well, the materials that I'm going to use is ice here and a glass of water. I'm going to put ice in the glass of water, but you have to watch. Okay. Okay. As you can see, the ice just came atop of the water. Well, wait. Give me a second. Well, let me explain you why. The orderly crystalline way in which the hydrogen bonds form causes density to decrease because each water molecule is held away from its neighbors at a distance equal to the length of the hydrogen bonds. Well, this water expands as it freezes, and the ice um, floats atop the water. This property is crucial to life as we know it. Ice sheets on the surface of the ocean insulate the water beneath and allow organisms to live in polar regions of the world, and also prevent oceans from freezing solids. Well, the things that I just told you is like extra information or like a fun fact, but it's good to know. So thank you for the video and have a nice day.